Hello guys, hoping you're having a great holidays. I'm at vistas del Tezal right now, December 22, and I came to the model is a couple of days to be finished, but I wanted to stop by today and take some video for you and share. That way you can see the finishes and the furnitures. Okay, main entrance, laundry room. This is the second bedroom, fits a king size bed, as you can see. Closets, space for the TV. Remember, this is Jack and Jill. So, an entrance to the second restroom. Master bedroom, king size bed. For the TV, more valuable space in here. This is the full walk-in closet. That's Mariana. Two vanities. I love these finishes. Shower, restroom. Let's go back. TVs are ready to be installed today. I'm hoping tomorrow we'll have professional photographs. Look at this for the wine. This is additional work. Living room area. Six, 7 chairs fits with no problem. In the kitchen, 4 chairs in the bar, fits okay. And this is the unit, that's the master bedroom. This is 107 ground floor. So you can see the table there. Look at the space of the terrace. Ground floor are bigger. With your own stairs.